I'd love to invite us all to put one hand over the heart and one hand over the lower belly. Take 3 of the most deeply attuned and self-loving breaths that we have taken so far all day, right into the center of the heart. So big, slow, gentle breath into the heart. And exhale with a sigh. Letting go of the day, letting go of anything that has come so far today, just fully letting it go to create space for what we are about to experience in this time together. Another deep breath in and just visualize that breath going all the way down to the perineum. And exhaling with a sigh, just letting go of anything that you don't need to be carrying. One more big breath into the center of the heart. And just bringing your awareness right into the very, very center of your beautiful sacred heart temple. And just feeling into all of the love and the beauty and the inspiration and the magic that can be found when you go right into the depths, the epicenter of your heart. Just breathing right into the center of your being and taking a moment to just rest there for a while. Exhaling anything at all that may have come up this week, that may have come up today, just letting it go, visualizing it, washing off of your energy field like water, washing off of your back in the shower. And then bringing the awareness down to the hand that's over top of the lower belly, inviting your lower belly to just soften and relax. And you can give your belly a little rub and just give your body a little wiggle to just fully come into your body, taking a moment to come out of the mind and come into the body in this moment. And bringing the awareness down to your root chakra and your tailbone, the base of your spine, opening up to your connection to Mother Earth below you. And just visualize yourself beginning to drop some roots all the way down from your tailbone, all the way down through all the layers of earth, all the way to the energetic heart of our Earth Mother. And just taking a big breath and exhaling as you sigh and just feeling yourself resting into the embrace of our Earth Mother. You can visualize your roots wrapping around her energetic heart, just giving her a big embrace and feeling her energy rise up to meet you and embracing you in return. And just taking a moment to really feel your connection to Mother Earth in this moment, all of her beauty, all of her nourishment, all of her support. And breathing some of that beautiful, grounding, nourishing, uplifting energy up from the earth through your roots, back up into your root chakra and into your entire body and energy field. Breathing in deeply and pulling up some of that beautiful, nourishing earth mana into your body and your energy field. And feeling your whole energy field fill up with that red earth energy that feels grounding, stabilizing, supportive, and unconditionally loving. So that every single molecule and cell of your body is being kissed by the energy of Mother Earth and just being nourished and feeling that energy of unwavering support and love that is available to us from our connection with this beautiful, exquisite planet that we are so blessed to live upon. And bringing that energy up through the central channel in the center of our body, from the tailbone all the way back up to the heart, all the way up to the crown at the top of the head, and opening up above to your connection to Source, opening up to your connection to your soul, your higher self, opening up to your connection to your beloved ancestors, angels, and guides, and just opening the aperture to receive support and love and grace from Source, from the heavens, from the higher realms. Just visualize it showering down upon you. So much beautiful golden light and love, supportive, uplifting energy. Feeling that energy mix and merge with the red earth energy coming into your heart. And you can visualize it like a yin and yang symbol, the golden light from Source and the red earth energy from below, just reminding you how truly supported you are by all of life in each and every moment. May we always remember how supported we are. May we always remember how truly loved we are. And may we always remember how precious we are. Aho, blessed be.